Hi everyone, it's Graham again at Butterfly Cottage. It's been a hard day's work. We've been doing guttering on the house, and what a better thing to do than have a fire and put some tandoori chicken on it. And we're going to sort of do a rotary thing. We've just got to let the fire die down a bit. And in the meantime, I'm going to drink some beer. Cheers. So we've got two sticks at either side which are like Y-shaped, and we can put a skewer across. I've got Jack to carve this for me, but he's put a point on the fatter end, so it's going to be really tough getting my meat on there, so I'm just going to put a quick point on here. There we go. And then we're going to put this across here like this, and then turn it, obviously. Just turn it every 5 minutes or so. The fire's nearly ready, so I'm now going to skewer the chicken onto the stick. So in here we've got 4 chicken breasts, 2 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of tandoori masala, a teaspoon of tumeric, a teaspoon of curry powder, that's what I'm trying to think of, and then some salt, probably about half a teaspoon of salt, and then some pepper, some oil, about 100 ml of natural yogurt, and we left it to marinade all day long, so the flavours should be really good. So here goes nothing. Getting absolutely covered in stuff. Oh, and there's also full food colouring, red food colouring. Covered, absolutely covered in the stuff. I think I might need to go wash my hands now. So I'm going to keep that sauce to the side, and I'm going to, as it's cooking, I'm going to keep putting some on it. There we go. Right, I shall just go wash my hands. My wife's come to join me now. She's seen the food and now she wants some. Oh yeah.
Smells really good.
It does, doesn't it? So now we're just going to keep turning this. Sky's starting to turn red. Lovely. This is our little forest at the bottom of the garden. This is where we come when we want a bit of peace. There's Copper. Hey Copper. Hello. You smell some nice food. We've just lowered this down a little bit. Catch the flames better. There, you can see it better now. I just can't wait to eat my cowboy style tandoori chicken. It's going to be amazing. I think it's been smoked enough now. It's time to go eat it.
I'm being smoked.